we'll see that how the created app or the GUI app we can create as an package, to share with colleagues. Okay, again I'm going back to MATLAB. Now this app, I want to compile it, or I want to create it as a standalone application. What I can do, I can simply go here this designer tab, and if I click on the share button, so MATLAB will give me this three option, right? MATLAB app. So you can share your created MATLAB app or GUI with the users which the MATLAB has installed. Okay. You can also create the web app version, so you can deploy it on the web applications. You can also create the standalone desktop app, so that the for example, if user doesn't install the MATLAB on their system, still he want to use your created GUI or apps on their system, still you can use using MATLAB runtime. Okay, MATLAB runtime is a tool that is available. It is free of cost, so it is available into mathworks.com there. So you can install it, so you can run the your friends created or your colleague created apps into your system, right? If I click on the standalone desktop app, so this MATLAB compiler will package this app for me. Okay, so this window that tells me that if I want to give the author name or email or company name, some small summary or description, what is this app that I have created? Okay, and if I click on this green arrow package, so MATLAB will create package for me. Okay, so the binary files will create for me, so that you can extended file you can share with your colleagues, right? So it will take some time. Again, I'm going back to the PPT, so that we have we saw that how we can create a packaging app into MATLAB using MATLAB compiler. Some interactive application to perform some technical computing tasks are there. Okay, it has some different apps available there, so you can using these apps you can reduce your time onto your the research project, right? So you can package your own app, creating single file for distribution and installation into gallery. Okay, that we'll see it further, that how the standalone application can share with your colleagues. Okay, so this is the workflow of sharing standalone application. Now that the GUI app that you have created using this MATLAB app designer, okay, that app that you have created, right? So this is the first step. The MATLAB compiler will do for you this. This will compile your app, whatever the apps or GUI that you have created. So it will create you executable standalone app for it, right? So next step is, now that you created GUI apps, you can share with your colleagues, right? The end user has not installed MATLAB on their system. Still, you can use your created GUI on their systems, right? Using this MATLAB runtime tool. Okay. So this is the workflow of sharing standalone application. Let's check that our application has created or not. Still, it is in working. Some different on-time courses available along with the the MathWorks MathWorks.com there. Some on-ramp courses are available, for example, the MATLAB on-ramp, the machine learning on-ramp. So this is the complete list that you can see, and you can complete these courses. So these are some instructor-led courses that you can complete it, and these are some access through Simulink. Some of these courses you can access through Simulink. You can engaging some video tutorials there, some hands-on exercise divided into the some small tasks are there. Okay, just go here matlabacademy.mathworks.com, so you will get complete list of the courses which are free or which are included into this campus wide license, right? So after completing the courses, you will get this certificate, right? So you can share with your social media's account. So this was the first part of our today's session. So if you have any queries that we'll discuss, or we can move forward to our second part.